If you cannot do 25 single calf raises, according to some textbook somewhere, you might just be weak in the calf. So here are 3 ways you can progress that. So first, I would do what I call the 3-way heel raise. So get on something like a step or a slant board if you have it, and go up, pause, and then down slow. And by the way, keep your feet straight and create a bit of an arch in your foot by dragging your big toe towards your heel. So up, down slow. Give me 10 like that. Then turn your feet out for 10. Then turn your feet in for 10. All right, the cadence matters. You want to go slow on the way down, like a 2 to 3 second count on the way down. Then you can progress to what's called 2 up, 1 down. Do this first on a flat surface, grab onto something, up, all right? So you're trying to focus on your right foot, lift the left foot up and come down slowly. 2 up, 1 down, all right? Then progress to doing it through a greater range of motion, go back to a slant board or step, 2 up, 1 down. Really focusing on the control on the way down. This is way better than just doing sort of mindless heel raises.